In this holy month of Ramadan, we will hold a sparkling Ramadan event, which will be held on April 9, 2023. The activities include breaking the fast with all English language education students and sharing takjil.
Sorry to interrupt, but can you repeat it again because I'm not focused? Help.
Okay, sure. So on April 9, we will hold a festive Ramadan and break the fast with all English education students. We will also share takjil.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me for interrupting. How do I get funding for this event? Can you explain?
If I might finish this point, we got funding from all English language education students, including the committee.
Sorry, but can I add something here?
Yes, go ahead.
If you only rely on funds from English education students, are all the funds sufficient for this activity? We had better look for donors to increase the cost of this event.
Yes, you're right. Apart from holding iftar activities together and sharing takjil, we will also invite our fans and we will also make a donation to them.
Could I just stop you there for a moment? What you are saying is all very interesting, but I'm afraid our team is limited today. Would you mind just focusing on the key points?
Okay, thank you for reminding me.
I'm sorry, but I'm not sure I understand what you mean by funds that will be asked from English language education students.
What I mean by that will be billed, we will determine the nominal, not depending on the sincerity of giving it.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Yeah.